Let's learn French words with this song. Ananas, it's sweet and yellow. Abeille, a buzzing little fellow. Arc-en-ciel, look up and see. So many French words, 1, 2, 3. The letter A. Let's clap and sing and shout in French. Come dance along. Let's learn French words with this song. Avion, flying through the sky. Arbre, growing tall and high. Amour, the love I have for you. So many French words, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget, legs soaring way up there, with mighty wings floating in the air. Alouette, singing in a tree. Avocat, so yummy. Araignée, a little scary. So many French words, 7, 8, 9. The letter A. Let's clap and sing and shout in French. Come dance along. Let's learn French words with this song. The letter A. We learn French words. Hooray, hooray. No, you're so smart. The French letter A is the